How to fix some keys not working on laptop keyboard. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix some keys not working on laptop keyboard. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to right click on the Windows icon at bottom left corner of your screen. Now look at Device Manager and click to open it. Here you need to locate keyboard and expand it. Now you need to choose your keyboard driver and then right click on it. Now choose update driver. Here you can easily click on browse my computer for drivers and select or search the location. Browse it and click on next button. And here the best driver for your device are already installed. If not yet, you can easily right click on your driver again and click on uninstall device button. And then by uninstalling you can proceed towards the other step. You simply need to go to the search icon and search for settings. Click on open button. Now go to Windows Update at bottom left. If you see any updates, simply update your Windows. And with that, you will successfully fix some keys not working on laptop keyboard. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.